Strapi versus Payload, best computer management system in 2025. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a comparison between Strapi and Payload CMS to help you decide which one suits you best. So make sure to watch this video to the end and let's get started. So the first thing you want to know is that choosing between Strapi and Payload CMS in 2025 depends on your specific needs for content management and flexibility and scalability. Over here, let's start with Strapi. Strapi is best for developers looking for customizable self-hosted CMS with strong API supports. Then it offers self-hosted and open source data headless CMS with REST and graphical APIs, flexible content modeling with intuitive admin panel. It supports databases like PostgreSQL. Here, Payload CMS provides self-hosted and open source with a cloud-hosted option built on Node.js and Express.js. Full TypeScript, support NoCal and SQL database, support MongoDB, Postgres. MySQL Graph and REST APIs support custom authentication and user management, but out-of-the-box dynamic access control for the fine-grained flexible than Strapi for complex applications. Then if you're wondering which one to choose, here's a simple breakdown. For a mature CMS with strong community support and easier setup, Strapi for modern development, TypeScript. First CMS with deeper backend control, Payload CMS. So that's how you can choose between Strapi and Payload CMS.